Effective marketing and sales strategies can boost revenue and give a printing business a competitive advantage by attracting more customers, generating higher sales, and positioning the services effectively. Training equips employees with the skills to identify potential customers, understand their needs, and communicate the value of printing services. Hello, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Ramon, former MD, Presbyterian Press, and I'll be the main speaker. I'm a digital marketer and a thought leader in digital printing. I am also a content strategist, and so I use content marketing as my main tool to write blogs, posts, videos, infographics, social media, etc. This training program is to support the printing industry professionals in sales and marketing. It will address challenges such as identifying potential customers, securing appointments, qualifying leads, addressing objections, and delivering effective product demonstrations. Many sales and marketing individuals lack the skills needed for prospecting, lead generation, closing sales, and converting prospects into paying customers. Our training program is to support printing industry professionals in sales and marketing. It will address challenges such as identifying potential customers, securing appointments, qualifying leads, and addressing objections, as well as delivering effective product demonstrations. Many sales and marketing individuals lack the skills needed for prospecting, lead generation, closing sales, and converting prospects into paying customers. A skilled marketing and sales staff can develop marketing campaigns and sales processes that may impact on the company's sales growth. When sales and marketing are enabled, the team can create their own content tools, and also they will be able to do vital closing deals. Social media marketing and selling is a game changer. Trainees on board of this program will have a bite on how social media can impact on their business strategies. At the end of the program, trainees will develop their own sales and marketing plan. Trainees will also learn more about various types of markets and which ones provide opportunities for printers. In this program, we'll have an overview of products and services and target markets and how to do effective targeting as well as sales prospecting. Other topics include understanding your own company products and their features, benefits, and their use, as well as case studies. Also covered are the competitive landscape, industry research, market trends, role-playing exercises for product pitches, prospecting, and lead generation training cover effective techniques, identifying target accounts and customer profiles, or using prospecting tools and platforms, and practicing cold calling and email outreach. There are also other topics that we'll touch on. They include sales process and qualifications, sales pitch and presentation skills, social media, email marketing, and so on. We will also help you get familiar with their targeting audience or target audience. Then you also know where your audiences are and how to reach out to them through social media marketing. And lastly, where are my social media, where are their social media channels? This is an important thing to know because that's where and how you can target them. Now, you've heard about all that has been going on for the past 4 to 5 minutes. If you would like to know more about how to grow your sales and marketing and get more jobs, head to the next page and do the following. Scan the QR code in black and white image. The link will send you to a page for you to commence registration for our online training program. Alternatively, you can click on the image on the left and follow the arrow to open the link in the browser to register. Thank you, and I hope to see you very, very soon.